And the other one, which is I got it as a Christmas gift, of course it's going to be Makeup Revolution. Hello everyone, it's Willy. Welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're all doing good. So I just can't believe that we are now at the end of the first month of the year. And to be honest, for me, it's a pretty good month because, well, don't get me wrong, because I literally just start to create this channel and I love to do all of these videos. And how about you? How about you guys? Did you create something new? How's your day? Please talk to me and leave the comment down below. And yes, of course, today's video is going to be my favorite of January, and I'm pretty sure that all of you guys might already know what product that I'm going to talk about. So yes, let's start and jump right to the video. For the first step, it will be this one, which is Maybelline Fit Me Foundation. And yes, of course, I give this one 10 out of 10. It's blend really beautifully and it's lightweight, especially when you live somewhere it's really warm like Thailand. And this foundation, I love that so much. I could wear it like everyday foundation, but it's not that full coverage, so which means if you want full coverage, I suggest you should find Maybelline Superstay, but this one I really love it. For the concealer and loose setting powder, of course, it's going to be the same line, which is Maybelline Fit Me Concealer and Maybelline Loose Finish Powder. You guys, if you use all of this, to be honest, I really love it. Lightweight, smooth, and it's not make my skin that flawless, but it make my skin look better than normal. It's like your skin but better version, if you know what I mean. And yes, this is why I love Fit Me line from Maybelline quite a lot. For the foundation powder, I know that a lot of you guys might don't like it, but personally I really like it because sometimes I didn't want to wear much makeup or much base foundation or anything like that, but I just need some foundation powder that could cover some blemishes, just the light blemishes, some dark circle. I don't usually get dark circle, but sometimes I did. And of course it's going to be Revlon Age Defying. This one is really good and it's a lot of shade. I'm not sure in the UK they have it. I think they have in Amazon. So yes, I will leave the link in the description box. Everything today that I mentioned is going to be in the description box. For my cheek, I like to use Clinique cheek pops in Ginger Pop, as you already see in my video quite a lot. So I have two shades from Clinique, which is Ginger Pop and Color Pop. These two shades, you could use it just like a brush for your cheek or just an eyeshadow. This is why I love it so much. It's really pigmented and it's blended really beautifully. I hope that you can see. Wow, in the real life it's really pigmented and you don't have to pick up from the package that a lot, and it's blended beautifully. For contour and highlight, of course, it's going to be Makeup Revolution ROXXSAURUS Contour and Highlight palette. This one for me, it's everything. So if you would like to get something which is affordable and it's got everything for contour and highlight, I suggest this palette because this one is suitable for any skin shade. And as you can see, it has 4 different contour and 4 different highlighter, which I love. And of course, for the contour size, it's completely matte, and for the highlighter, of course, it's like completely shimmering, blendable, and like I said, it's suited for every skin shade. For my eye, of course, the first step will be eyeshadow, and these 2 eyeshadow palettes, hands down to Makeup Revolution again, and I'm pretty sure that you will see it quite often in my camera. So as you can see from Makeup Revolution, this one is so extra spice. This one you could make a smoky eye look or a natural look, or a fancy look. As you can see, it's quite pigmented, blended beautifully, and you know, I just love it. It's really affordable. And the other one, which is I got it as a Christmas gift from my mother-in-law. I'm pretty sure that she will watch my channel. If she watches it, thank you so much, Mom. So yes, this one you got pretty much really beautiful shimmer eyeshadow. It's blended really beautifully and it's quite pigmented, and again it's affordable. For my eyebrow, it's just only 3 products that I'm going to mention. The first one is going to be NYX Micro Brow Pencil. This one is really skinny, it has a lot of shade, and also you've got a spoolie brush on the end, which is good, and it's long lasting, that I love. So the other one is, of course, as you can see, the brands and everything is gone. It's from Makeup Collection. I believe this one is incrediBROW Tinted Brown. So this one, of course, got a lot of shades as well, and it brings up your eyebrow, and you know, it's just a little tint for your eyebrows. That's good. And for eyebrow powder, I love the Anastasia Beverly Duo Powder Brown Duo Powder, I believe. So it got a lot of shades again, and it's blended really beautifully. It looks natural. How I nearly forget my favorite things ever. I use it years and years and years now, and of course this is going to be eyeshadow primer. This one is Tooface Shadow Insurance. So as you know, I have an oily skin, and of course even my eyelid is still oily, and this one helped me a lot because it first of all, it makes my makeup or eyeshadow last longer. Second, it doesn't crease, and third, it's show up exactly the same color from the pan in eyeshadow. So yes, that is from my eye primer. So for my eyelashes, it's going to be these 2 products again, which is from Revlon Ultimate All-in-One, and of course the other one is going to be Royal why this one is too hard, Royal Volume Last Paradise. So 10 out of 10 with this combo. Last step will be my lips, and I have 2 different brands for my lipstick. The first one is going to be Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink lipstick. I really love this one because recently I wearing face masks quite a lot, and this is not transfer. And the other one is going to be Royal. I can't remember what version is this, but this one is really good. It's lightweight, it's really comfortable when you're wearing it, and it does transfer a little bit when I'm wearing a mask, but that's lovely. I really love it. And that is all about my favorite of January. So again, if you have any products that you want to suggest me that you love, or the products that you want me to test, leave the comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next video. Bye!